Hey guys, Adam here with AmericanMuscle.com, and today we're taking a closer look at and installing the MP Concepts chin spoiler for the 15 and newer SXT Challenger. You should be checking this out, very simply put, if you're looking for a more aggressive front end. This chin spoiler is going to add to the pre-existing factory chin spoiler and just take it out a little bit further, just a couple of inches, give it a textured finish and a little bit more of an angular design. Overall, it flows with the body lines of the vehicle, but it gives you that race-inspired styling at the front end that you really want out of your muscle car. Now, this guy here is made from an injection molded ABS plastic. It does have that textured black finish on top, unlike the factory chin spoiler, which is more of a smooth matte black. So it adds just a little bit more character to the front end. If you're looking for something that blends in a little bit more, there are other options in the category. This one's for the guys who want that aerodynamic look or that race-inspired look, like I said, at the front end with a textured black finish. Now, the nice thing about this is it's pretty affordable, comes in right around 125 bucks. There's no drilling, there's no permanent modifications, there's none of that nonsense. It's gonna reuse the factory 7mm screws that you already have holding up your factory chin spoiler and just add a couple of more Phillips heads. So it will actually drill into the factory spoiler, but you don't have to break out the drill bits at all. Just a Phillips head will do. And I'll show you guys what that looks like in just a minute. Just know that the install here, I'm giving 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter. Anybody can tackle this in the driveway at home. You might want to jack up the vehicle just a little bit to get an easier access to the front end there underneath, but overall, it can be done in the driveway at home. It'll take you about 30 minutes or so from start to finish. I'm going to walk you through the whole process. What do you say we get started? Tools used in the install include an impact gun or a ratchet, 7mm socket, and a Phillips head socket, but you could also use a Phillips head screwdriver. First step, of course, get your vehicle up in the air. We've got ours on a lift, but on the ground works just as well. You're gonna grab a 7mm socket on an impact gun or a ratchet and just take off all of the factory screws underneath the front chin spoiler. I'm gonna start here in the corner and work my way around. All right, next up, you can take your new chin spoiler from MP Concepts, hold it up into the factory location. You're gonna use the stock hardware all the way around on the innermost holes. Now, I've got my buddy holding up the other side just to make life a little easier. I'm gonna put one of these screws back on each side to hold it in place, and then go back and tighten them all down. All right, let me put one on the other side, and then we can do all of them. All right, grab your impact gun and tighten those 2 down, and then repeat for the rest. All right, now I'm gonna tighten this one down and do the rest of them. All right, next I'm switching over to a Phillips head bit, and I'm gonna screw in these self-tapping screws to the open holes on the other side. All right, repeat that for all 6. All right, from there, you're good to go. That's gonna wrap up my review and install for the MP Concepts chin spoiler for the 15 and newer SXT Challenger. You can get yours right here at AmericanMuscle.com.